Either on YouTube or on television, you have seen annular solar eclipse, the rare event. Now, we will talk about lunar eclipse. In solar eclipse, the moon shadow befalls on the earth. Same way, in lunar eclipse, earth's shadow befalls on the moon. In lunar eclipse, we have the position sun, earth and moon. We can see lunar eclipse on full moon day, but not on every full moon day. Why? Because earth's and the moon's orbit not on the same plane. As well, moon's orbit is 5 degree tilted. Lunar eclipse has two types: total lunar eclipse and partial lunar eclipse. In total lunar eclipse, the moon is totally covered under earth's shadow. In partial lunar eclipse, the moon partially seen from the earth or partially it is hidden because of the earth shadow. Now, we will discuss characteristics of solar eclipse. Solar eclipse we can see on new moon day, but not on every new moon day. We have the position, the sun, the moon and the earth. If they are on the same line or on same plane, we can see solar eclipse. The maximum duration of total solar eclipse is 7 minutes and 20 seconds or approximately 450 seconds. Now, characteristics of lunar eclipse. Lunar eclipse we can see on a full moon day, but not on full moon day which comes in every month. Lunar eclipse, the positions are sun, moon and earth, but they should be there on the same plane and in one same line, and the duration of lunar eclipse is 107 minutes. Eclipse is an astronomical event. Nothing auspicious or inauspicious in it. Only specific position of sun, earth and the moon matters. Lot of curiosity among the people. Great opportunity for scientists and astronomers. They specially visit some locations where they can see solar or lunar eclipse properly. Birds and animals get confused because of this untimely darkness. Precautions. When we will see either solar eclipse or lunar eclipse, we have to take some precautions. It is too much harmful to the naked eyes. We can see these eclipses with the special dark glasses or goggles made for this purpose.